Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a quick Kscraft guest design team project share for you today. I used the January release stamp and die set. So there were two in this release. It was the bunnies with the Easter words. Don't mind the washi because I had to take them all apart to die cut all the bunnies. And then there's this one, also the January release, the tag and stamp set. So I'll show you this one first. There's 6 styles of tags in this kit, I guess, stamp and die set. Don't mind my fingers. I'm not the best stamper. So these are your styles. You get the peeps and you get the chicks. And I got a few of them here. You get an egg tag. So it's got a few. And then another Easter egg tag. Okay. All right, so those are the shaped, like, you know, the bunny, the chick, and the egg. And then these are the stamps that come with this die set right here. Let me pull this out real quick. Well, maybe not, because everything is stuck. Anyway, I will leave the link down below. These words are, these stamps are, they come with a die cut, a die to cut out the words. So I didn't use it on this. I was mistaken. These are stamps from this set. Happy Easter, Honey Bunny, Hello Spring for you. Snuggle Bunny, Hello Peeps, Egg Hunt, He is Risen, Blessed, and Got Chocolate, and Faith. And did I say Happy Easter? So I stamped these onto the these here. So those are only the 3 shapes. So the other shapes look like this. And I'm showing you the back because I added the other set, the bunny and the word die set, to the front of this tag. So you have a tag this shape, and this is the same thing. This one says Happy Egg Hunting. This one says Happy Easter. And then this is the other shape. It's just the rounded top. And then this one has the sitting bunny, and it says No Bunny Loves You Like I Do. It's another sitting bunny. And this one says Show Me the Bunny. Same tag shape. And then this one is just the bunny head, and this one says Bunny Kisses. And the tag looks like this. You got little pointy corners, and then you have the arch on the top and on the bottom. Really cute tags. Here's the same tag style, and this is a boy bunny head, and it says Too Hip to Hop. And then this is same shape tag, and it's a bunny head with no bow tie and no bow, and it says Easter Wishes. And then this one says Did Somebody Say Easter? And it's this one of those shape tags right there. So, and it's another, just a bunny head, plain bunny head. Now I did use my distress oxide ink to put some blush, and this is Spun Sugar. So I colored in the ears the best I could and his cheeks for all the bunnies. So that is it. Oh, the other set Got Chocolate. Hello Peeps, Honey Bunny. I have terrible stamping methods, so Hello Spring, Happy Easter, Egg Hunt, and then yeah, so that's all that I stamped from this collection. I didn't stamp Faith, He Is Risen, and For You, and I think Snuggle Bunny. Yeah, I didn't stamp Snuggle Bunny. So that's all that I've got for you today. This set is only the tag. It doesn't have the word die cut. You just have the stamp. It's not like this one. This one has the word die cuts for the stamped words. Okay? So if you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. And that'll let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. So my plan for these, I'm going to add some twine to these little tags, but also wanted to put a few of them together, or maybe just one, and add it to something, a dangle, and add it here to my gift bags, which I've shared in a previous video. My little sheep. So yeah, maybe in the next video. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.